Hi, this is a video on how I explore the possible solution for use relationship. So at this point, I have no idea what is no idea. It's just a little bit idea about this use relationship, but I never used use relationship. So now I'm recording. See if I can solve it. Um, So first of all, I have the loaded this data here. This is called Adventure Works. Uh, yeah, this is provided. This database is provided by Microsoft. So we can see that I have actually created relationship between the date and the order date, and also the date with the ship date. So since this one is the first one I created, so it will be the default relationship. The second is connected with the dotted line, that is the inactive relationship. So if I just double click on this link, and you can see that it doesn't say relationship active. And if it's go here, double click, it is checked, and that is many to one, right? So many dates, and there is only connected to one date in the date dimension table. So that's about it, how to create a relationship in the data model tab. And then now if I want to just create a visual for all the date, it is already done. I have created a hierarchy, but then as for the ship date, it is not there yet. So how do I create that? Let's just try that. So I'm going to the facts table, internet sales, and then just add a query, and then so here I will choose the order shipping date. Yes, this is the one, right? So and I'm just going to add a column under here, date, and then I just go to add the year. I extract the year and I just call it ship year. Does it call ship year? Okay, yeah, let's just call it ship year, and then this good. And next thing is I will to create a month. So I'm just call it the month will do. So let's see if that works. So ship date, just right here you can see there's no comparison. Yeah, okay, that's about it, right? So the data quality is until the month level. Let's go to home, close, and apply. Okay, so let's get back to the data model, and then let's just work here. I'll choose the ship year, right click, create a hierarchy, and then I will go to the shipment, right click, choose add to the ship year hierarchy. Now over here I'm going to choose the same thing, like let's see here, date. Yeah, just do a comparison, right? See if that works. So ship year hierarchy, and then have the total sales total, sales amount. Okay, so was it correct? Was it the same? I'm not sure. Let's see. All right, right click here, and no, I mean just go here, that go to its label, and here the label. So one is a ship year and the other is not, right? So okay, so based on the ship year and the order year, looks about the same, yeah. So now we're gonna create a using a use relationship. So Let's create this here, right? Sum, and I'm going to create a sum for the order, by the order, and then the others by the shipping. Let's see what is different. Okay, let's go here. Create a new measure. Total sales total by order date. And I just call it the sum. But actually, I have already have that. Oh, maybe I just call it the other one. Just call it ship date. Okay, sales total by ship date, and then I just call it calculate. And I already have the total sales right here, so I'm going to use the earlier text. So at the moment, it should be giving me the right one, right? So I just go here and then choose the card, and I just drag the sales total by date, ship date. So that's 29. That's total of it. And now, if I just go here and then put comma, and now I'm using user relationship. See what happened then? All right. So use relationship, and the way to do that is we should have the shipping date and the date. So shipping date, huh? Shipping date. Yeah, shipping date. Then comma, and date is with the team date. There's a team date here. Okay, yeah, that's about it. Let's just enter this. Is that different? That's 29. Yeah. Let's see. Without this, is there a change? No, there's no change. Can it be, right? So with the use, no, there's no change. So this is just one example why is one thing we know, but let's just say partnership here. It's different. Go here, label it. So there is no different if we use the ship year. So here it says that this is, by the way, from Microsoft. So it says relationship between internet sales processes should not be active. There is a sum which I already have. Use relationship, shipping date. So we will calculate sum, allow the slicing by shipping date. Okay, slicing. Okay. Alright, let's just see what it means slicing. Yeah. We go to slicer. We just need to try out something else. So I use the shipping year. Okay. Go here, choose the lease. Well, it seems like they all responded. Can't see a difference yet. Okay, so allow. That's what it means, that you gotta explore it and take some time. When the time is right, you get a full understanding of how to use relationship. So I hope this inspires you to learn yourself. Even trainer have to learn themselves. Explore. got an understanding, you can share. So I take a risk, right? Because I don't have to show you this video, because I can position myself as an expert and say like everything I know. But the truth is, no expert knows everything. It's all about exploring day by day towards the expert level. Thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Asia.